In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Expensify for a company. So, to get started, you'll first want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, it's time to search for Expensify. This will lead you to a list of search results, and from there, you'll want to click on the first result titled Expensify Spend Management Software for Receipts and Expenses. When you're on the Expensify homepage, you'll see an option that says Manage Expenses for 1 to 9 employees. Go ahead and click on that. This option is typically ideal for smaller companies or teams looking to keep track of their expenses efficiently. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your company email address. This is crucial for account creation, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've input your company email address, the next step is to click on the Get Started button. This will take you to a new screen, where you'll need to click on Join. After doing so, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name. It's important to ensure that this information is accurate, as it will be associated with your account moving forward. With your name entered, the journey continues by clicking on Continue. Now, just a heads up. Expensify will need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for an authorization code. Once you receive this code, enter it back on the Expensify site and click Verify to proceed. Next, you're going to be asked what software your company uses. In our case, we'll select None and then click Continue. Following this, Expensify will inquire about the features you're interested in. Choose those that apply to your company's needs, as this will help tailor the experience to better suit your operations. Moving forward, Expensify might offer you a test drive of the software to showcase its capabilities. However, today we're going to skip this step, so simply click Skip if you wish to do the same. Subsequently, you'll find that you're successfully redirected to the Expensify homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, it's a good time to explore a bit. You'll notice a section called Workspaces. Click on Workspaces to view or create spaces that suit your company's various departments or needs. Finally, head over to Account to review any further details and customize settings specific to your usage. This menu allows you to fine-tune your profile and account setup according to your company's requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Expensify for your company. Feel free to explore the interface further to get the most out of this powerful expense management tool. Thanks for watching, and happy expense tracking.